The Egg. One sunny morning, Mama Bird felt hungry. She said time to look for food. So she slipped carefully away from her nest and flew to a nearby barrio. She left behind the 8 eggs sleeping soundly in the nest. Suddenly a strong wind came tossing the branches of the tree. The strong wind kept blowing, many leaves were falling. All the eggs were awoke, they were all frightened by the strong wind. Help, 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 shouted the eggs. But the wind kept blowing, it blew away the nest with the eggs. The nest turned around and around up in the air. The eggs were so scared that they closed their eyes. They were all trembling, twirling, twirling, when the nest-tailed Egg was blown away. Egg opened his eyes. He was alone in the pile of grass. He was very scared. Then he heard an animal trotting towards him. Then came the elephant. Egg hid himself quietly behind the grass. Then a snake crept close to him. Again he hid quietly under a fern leaf. All of a sudden, an eagle spotted Egg and tried to snatch him. Help, help, Mama, help! Cry Egg. Fortunately, Mama Bird, who was looking for Egg, heard him cry. She looked down and saw Egg. She hurriedly picked him up and flew away fast. Thank you, Mama, said Egg.